Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll down just a bit and click on Apps. Then select the default apps and click on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, click on your new downloaded one in order to apply it. And click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!